Lesson 2.6. Today we're going to learn about triangles. A right triangle is a triangle with exactly one right angle. So right here is an example of a right triangle. This angle right here is 90 degrees. An acute triangle is a triangle with three acute angles. So something like this would be an acute triangle. An obtuse triangle is a triangle with exactly one obtuse angle. So we can make a triangle like this. Hopefully everybody can see that this angle here is greater than 90 degrees. 90 degrees straight up. A scalene triangle is a triangle with three sides of different lengths. So if I drew a triangle like this, and said that this was 4 centimeters, this one was 5 centimeters, and this one was 6 centimeters. This is an example of a scalene triangle. An isosceles triangle, this is a big definition just because there's a few other definitions inside. An isosceles triangle is a triangle with at least two sides of the same length. The angle between the two sides of equal length is called the vertex angle. So let's stop there. Let's try to draw this out. So if I have an isosceles triangle, it looks something like this. Let's say these two sides are the same length. It says the angle between the two sides of the same length is called the vertex angle. So this angle here, we're going to call the vertex angle. The side opposite to the vertex angle is called the base. The two angles opposite of the two sides that are of equal length are called the base angles. So the base angles are here and here. There are two angles that are also connected to the base. So we have a vertex angle and two base angles. The median of a triangle is a segment connecting the midpoint of a side to the opposite vertex. It might be a little confusing without a picture. So if I want to find the midpoint, let's call this the midpoint. So these two sides are congruent. Now, the median is the segment connecting the midpoint with the opposite vertex. So this line right here, this line is called a median of a triangle. The altitude of a triangle is a perpendicular segment from a vertex to the opposite side or the line containing the opposite side. So the altitude of a triangle. So let's draw a triangle first. And this one, we want it from this point perpendicular to the opposite side. So that looks like it's about 90 degrees. Okay. Now there's a trick. If I want, well, I think it says sketch an obtuse triangle and then an altitude that is outside of the triangle. So let's do that. My last one is obtuse, but we can do it here. I have this triangle. Now, if I'm coming from this point, there's no possible point inside the triangle that would give me 90 degrees. None of these points would give me 90 degrees. So what I have to do is continue this line out until it looks like it's around 90 degrees. And just extend this line out. So now here, this is the altitude. Even though it's not inside the triangle. Now if I want to sketch a triangle and draw all three altitudes, show you an acute triangle. So that looks like it's about 90 degrees. That looks like it's about 90 degrees. Oops, that one's the wrong way. That looks like it's about 90 degrees. So all of these are altitudes. And that's the lesson for today.